Basic maintenance skills. Introduction to the module. There are some basic skills which are vital for a handy person to know. If you want to become a handy person or want to gain a handy person's skills to solve daily issues at home, this module is perfect for you. Topics to be covered: drywall installation, fixture replacement, smart home upgrade installation, painting for the interior and exterior, power washing, tile installation, window repair, small appliance repair, stopping a runny toilet. Drywall installation. Installing new drywall during a home remodel or after a water damage remediation job is one of the more common tasks that skilled handyperson services can specialize in. General handyperson often has the equipment necessary to live, cut, and install drywall boards in homes with skill and precision. Fixture replacement. Kitchen faucets, cabinets, lighting systems, and other household fixtures can wear out or break over time as a result of daily use. While many home fixtures can be easily replaced by an inexperienced do-it-yourself (DIY) enthusiast, some homeowners are either too busy or simply want to hire a professional to ensure the job is done correctly. Most general handyperson service professionals will also be done because many fixture repair jobs do not need a license. However, in some cases, removing a specific fixture, such as a faucet or lighting device, might necessitate a specialized license. Smart home upgrade installation. A pro comes out to the home with handyperson service and installs any smart home devices, including thermostats and doorbells. It's important to see with the handyperson to make certain they're certified to put in your particular product and brand, as there are many sorts. Some can necessitate a thorough understanding of home electrical systems or other specific details. Painting for the interior and exterior. Painting interior or exterior walls has to be one of the most popular handyperson services requested. Painting a house takes a lot of time and effort, particularly if the house is occupied. Many homeowners and property managers hire painters to improve a home's curb appeal before selling it, often resulting in a positive return on investment by selling the house faster or for a higher price. General handyman services often accept requests to repaint a home and often have the necessary equipment on hand, such as paint rollers, drop cloths, tape, furniture covers, and ladders. Since painting services are so common, some handyman services specialize in them. Power washing. Dirt and other debris may cake up on sidewalks, exterior walls, driveways, garage floors, roofs, and other surfaces, causing extreme discoloration. Power washing is often used as a basic property maintenance measure to keep the outside of a home looking pristine. Not every general handyperson service has the proper equipment for power washing, though. A high-grade water compressor can be expensive and requires frequent maintenance, so some professional handyperson services might not offer power washing. Tile installation. Tile installation may also be done over a prepared subfloor by general handyman services. While it may seem that tile installation is as easy as laying down the adhesive, smoothing it out, and then laying down a tile, there's a lot more to it than that. For example, handypersons installing tiles have to carefully measure the floor space to cut tiles to match the edges of the installation site. They even have to get the tiles precisely to stop crooked layouts and wasted space. Finally, non-vitreous, water-absorbent tiles will likely have to be sealed to stop them from absorbing moisture. Flooring professionals and handyperson service providers experienced with flooring jobs will likely have the right tools and skills to handle these issues. Window repair. Many handyman services can provide window repairs for a nominal fee. This can include helping to wash up broken glass and repairing or replacing the framework, also because of the window itself. If the windows within the home are a non-standard size, however, it's going to be necessary to succeed in being a specialist. Small appliance repair. Many homeowners would rather fix a broken appliance than replace the whole thing with a new one. So, one popular type of handy person service is minor appliance repair. In many cases, the handy person can fix the difficulty with the appliance for a fraction of the value of shopping for a replacement one. They will also estimate the cost of repair that is prohibitive compared to the cost of replacement. Stopping a runny toilet. A toilet, more than any other home appliance, is prevalent for being quick to break down. We use it often several times a day and on a daily basis. Because of this, it knows how to do basic bathroom maintenance, and repairs are a must for any homeowner. Any toilet that constantly leaks or runs can and will drive one insane. Aside from your nerves, such noise pollution will cost you money. A clogged toilet wastes money as well as natural resources. On inspection, locate the way to turn the water off. On most occasions, the faucet is placed behind the toilet itself, but it could also be somewhere along the pipes. It is of crucial importance to show the water off before any handy person intervention. Lift the water tank top. In the typical case, runny toilets are caused by either problem with the flush valve or the flapper. You can quickly fix this by adjusting the float or the arm, so the tank gets adequately plugged. If the damage is extensive, you'll easily replace the tank's interior parts since most are often easily snapped in situ. Recognize where parts are supposed to go. Any handy person beginner should instantly recognize where parts should fit in. There are many issues and problems the last word handy person should know. These are the essential handy person tips for any homeowner. Know these by memory and keep expanding your handy person skills throughout the experience. With effort and persistence, you will surely become a great handy person in no time. Summary. This module can be summarized as: of all the kinds of handy person services which will be requested, painting interior or exterior walls must be one among the four most common. Power washing is often used as a basic property maintenance measure to keep the outside of a home looking pristine. Flooring professionals and handy person service providers experienced with flooring jobs will likely have the right tools and skills to handle tile installation issues. A runny toilet wastes both money and natural resources.